This is a quick way to very quickly neaten up around your pool. Rather than having to tile and wait for a tiler or spend large amounts of money, this is a quick way just to cover the area and make it usable straight away. So get it in place, just roll it out. And what do you do when you hit a pole like that? Slice it around. Now you have to make sure you've got enough of the turf here to go into that corner over there. If you cut it short, it's very hard to join. So Caleb's just rolling your turf out and making sure that it goes all the way into the corner. Now he's cutting relief off so the turf can flap around and go into position. And that's waste there. Now we've got a pole in the way. So now he has to make sure that it's right up against there, and then if you just cut a relief joint from there, the turf will then flap around that pole. But he's got to cut it all the way back to where he is so that the turf can hang around the posts. And those bits will meet up on the other side. As he flaps it around, he'll cut the position, uses the knife to mark where the turf needed. And we move the turf around, and then this other piece will get the same treatment. Well, you should always make sure you've got extra so you can make it hang over. And we'll make a cut and move it around, make a cut, move it around, make a cut all the way till it makes a shape. And then these two pieces will match and meet up. Has to be a little bit of kicking and moving around, but that's how you make it fit into a place with a pole or a retaining wall. Okay, a lot of people ask me, how do we cut this turf in and how do we get it cut in? So what we need to do is to be really tight. You just mark the area of post. This one's going the other way, is it? Is that right? No.
Yeah, no.
That's right, yeah, that's right. Rolling. Right, how to cut on a curved edge from a straight edge. So we start up here. Make sure your piece is in the exact position. Push down, cut off, cut away. Make the shape, cut away. Cutting in around a pool. It's finished. The boys just need to trim it up, throw some glue in. Happy days.